Sanibona, thokozani makhela, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Yebo sanibona. Nguyena kaNkosi okhulumayo ilanga lanamhlanje. Now, today I'd like to talk about ukuphahla. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. I'm gonna just briefly talk about what we're going to talk about on the 3rd of November. Right. Ukuphahla is something truly extraordinary. It's something truly extraordinary in so many ways. Ukuphahla connects you with your forefathers, connects you with your soul as a person. If you do not know how to phahla as an African child, you're truly lost. You truly do not know yourself. You truly do not know who you really are. Because of ukuphahla, I could say it's a bridge. It's a bridge of thina abantu baphila phansi komthunzi elanga, and it gives us access to abantu abangale kubo bamkhulu, abantu esingababoni ngenyama kodwa sibabona ngamehlo omoya. You understand? So now into engizama ukuyisho la is that ukuphahla gives you access to ukwazi ukuphupha so that you can dream certain things. The thing that is amaphupho wena abe quite vague, it's because of the language you speak with your forefathers, the way you address them, the way you speak with them, the way ishine yakho ohleli ngakhona. That's the way, like let's like kuba ne disconnect of some sort between you and your forefathers. So now you need to know how to communicate with them so that bazokhona bakhulume nawe ngendlela efanelekile. So now there's so many ways on how to do that. So now I'd like to briefly talk about the ancient way on how to do it, the way they used to do it bona self. Now the dress code counts on how you speak to the elders, the way you uziphatha ngakhona before uzophahla. It counts. What you ate before uzophahla, it really counts. You understand? In the olden days, bengeke umuntu wesifazane axoxe nabantu abadala angathwalanga iduku. That's start. Angathwalanga umahlombe. You understand? So now ukubonisa is a sign of respect of some sort. So now umuntu wesilisa, there's a certain way on how to communicate nabantu abadala. You understand? Umuntu ozoqala phahla emndenini makuna something uzoqala umuntu wesilisa aqala ukuthi avule indlela, angavula indlela ukuthi bazokwazi ukuthi asondele, and then whatever le bayiphahlelayo bazokwazi ukuthi abantu abadala bayizwe ngendlela efanelekile. You understand? Now into engizama ukuyisho futhi ukuthi we are all different people. We come from different backgrounds, and kuye ukuthi emndenini wakho angazi in English bayibiza mara kuthiwa u-ana ini. What does your family represent? You understand? What kind of animal do they represent? You understand? So in certain families they would phahla with a springbok skin. You understand? So now that springbok skin, it gives them access to their forefathers so that they can come closer, because of now yiphawu labo elibatshengisayo ukuthi thina singabantu abanje. You understand? In other families basebenzisa maybe isikhumba senhlwathi. You understand? So now it gives them access. If awufakanga leso sikhumba leso, you truly like nje you are abakurecognize futhi abantu abakini ukuthi who are you, where you come from. Like they recognize you with a certain thing kuwe emzimbeni wakho. In each and every family, Mandulo, you know, as I said in my previous videos, that bagcoka of some sort because of bazokwazi ukuthi bakwazi ukurecognize and bagcokola into enjalo. So now in this regard, the way ugqwa ngakhona as a woman, it's truly important for you to understand ukuthi kumele ugqoke kanjani before uzophahla, and uzokhuluma kanjani before uzophahla. You understand? Because some people abaphahla bavele nje baletha amakhandlela, baletha impepho, and then they expect responses ukuthi nje amadlozi bavuke basukume ngeenyawo and ba-respond to whatever into oyishoyo. And now the first mistake that you guys do is that uma uzophahla ufuna ukucela ufuna ukubonga ufuna ukukhala at the same time, and it doesn't work like that because of now that's where your dream zicala kuba vague because of uhlanganise into eyiningi ngesikhathi esiyi-one, so now you didn't give them time to breathe. You understand? You need to give them time to breathe so that bazokwazi ukuba ne-meeting ngale nto wena obacele yona, bazokwazi ukuba ne-meeting ngale nto wena obabonga ngayo, bazoba ne-meeting ngale nto wena okhala ngayo. You understand? So now you have different kinds of ways on how to talk and what to say to them. You understand? You cannot say, hey ngicela imoto, hey umntwana wami uyakhala. That doesn't work. One thing at a time so that they can accommodate each and every problem that you have, and so that they can communicate ngendlela efanelekile emaphupheni wakho, ngoba it really counts on ukuthi like it really affects amaphupho wakho as a human being ukuthi ke mawuceda ukuphahla bese amaphupho akho wabona or uyawakhohlwa. It simply says you ukhulume ngento eyiningi esikhathini esiyi-one nabo basahlangahlangana bazi ukuthi bacale kuphi and then bagcine kuphi and because now nabo ngale on their side khona ama-headquarters la kumele bandlule khona kucala before they can deliver that into oyicela kubona. You understand? Khona la kumele bandlule khona kucala before they can touch on your things. You understand? Khona kumele bayenze isalute icala nabantu abagononda abantu abakini abantu abaphethe umndeni wakini before bazazi ngoba each and every individual ongale unomsebenzi wakhe. That's a fact. Yabona unomsebenzi wakhe ukuthi kumele ayenzeni, kumele akwenzeleni, kumele yenzele. So now bayabathuma ukuthi wena iya kuMaria ke njengoba bacela into kanje hamba umupha into kanje ngomsebenzi wakho. They delegate umsebenzi, they delegate the way izinto nje bazenza ngakhona. You understand? You really need to understand that. So ziningi indlela zokuphahla amakhehla amadala, and abantu abadala mabaphahla they do listen to you guys. Now first thing that you need to know is how to organize your shrine, indumba yakho, so that bazokwazi ukuhlala endaweni efanelekile, because now angeke indumba yakho ifane, umsamo wakho ufane nowasompence, because now you are not born by the same blood. You understand? So now imsamo izohamba ihlukahlukene, amakhandlela owasebenzisayo azohamba ahlukahlukene angafani. You understand? So now ukuze futhi ke uzwakale nje khona ezinye izinto okumele uzenze, khona amagama futhi okumele uqale ngawo before uzophahla based on ukuthi who are you, isibongo sakho ubani, and you understand khona amagama okumele uqale ngawo before uzokhuluma nabantu abadala, before uzothi hey ngicela imoto, ngicela ihashi, ngicela ini. Before doing that, there's certain things that you need to do, or amanye amadlozi bafuna ukubonga before, like mangithi ukubonga like ukuhlwithakazela kubona and praise them in a certain way so that they can come forth. You understand? So now isebenza ngale ndlela efanelekile ukuze bakuzwe mbambambamba ngamampela. Kwamele ukwazi uba ne-access ngendlela ukuthi ke manje uxoxa nabo kanjani, and amanye amadlozi sonke singashaya izandla, kodwa emndenini wakini amadlozi wakho awufuni ukuthi bashaya izandla, bafuna ukuthi maybe uhlale China, or maybe bafuna ukuthi usukume mawukhuluma nabo, or maybe bafuna ukuthi nje uhlale ngenye indlela exakile, or bafuna ukuthi ukhulume in a certain way so that they can understand the way lento ofuna ukuyisho, lento ofuna ukuyideliver kubona. You understand? So now izinto zisebenza ngenye indlela ke ezinjalo ukuthi bazokwazi ukuthi bakusondele, xoxe nabo, indaba yakho nabo babamkhulu bakho izwakala. You understand? Because zikhona ezinye izinto ezifunekayo wena umuntwini before uzophahla. Hint, nudge. Like for an example, before uzoya emsamo wakho, make sure that awuhlangananga nomuntu wesifazane, awuhlangananga nomuntu wesilisa, because now if uzoza kanjalo that saint bazoyizwa kuwena umniko lokho ukuthi uphume umuntu nesilisa uphume umuntu nendoda bazoyizwa, and then they going to ignore whatever that you're going to say to them. You understand? So now that's the first thing. You must be clean as always before going to them, before uzokhala nana ngoba uzwa unjalo and izinto zakho ziba worse and uthi hayi bakuthakathile kanti nososuka ushaya amadlozi kubathi uza kanjani kithi, hayi uhlangana nomuntu wesilisa uza kanjani kithi ukanjena kanjena kanje. You understand? So ziningi izinto kumele ukuthi uzenze before uyophahla. You understand? And other things before ubamba impepho. Impepho, it's a fragile thing, I must say. It's a very, very, very fragile and I think and sensitive actually. Let me give it sensitive. Ngoba usuke usemsebenzi, let's say for instance uyasebenza emsebenzini uyaphahla wena uzokhuluma nabantu abadala ubambe isompenco wabamba usompenco wabamba uJoseph wabamba bani. Those energies are right here in your hand. The minute you touch it, the pepper reacts. Now you're gonna see how it reacts by smoke sakhona siphuma kanjani. You understand? So isimoke sakhona siyahluka ngenye indlela exakile ke manje sixoxa nawe ukuthi whatever you doing to us now we won't buy it. You understand? Ezinye ismoke uzothola ukuthi yaspina. There's a certain why, there's a reason why ispina. Manje bashaya straight, which means ayihamba kahle shamba. So now ziningi izindlela impepho ixoxa ngakhona. So now before uthinta impepho, first thing that you need to do, go bath, wash your hands, wash your face now before touching izinto zabantu abadala. Before uthinta ikhandlela, before uthinta impepho, go wash your hands, go wash your face to remove all those energies, so that when uzoxoxa nabo bazokwazi ukuthi bakuzwe ngendlela efanelekile. You understand? So that and abanye abantu ukuze bafile ipresence yabo bayathuka mababona ithunzi mabaloke baphahla, bayathuka mababona ezinye izinto, bayathuka maybe mababona, let's say for instance spider mabaphahla. That signifies that they are here and you have invited them. Now baza ngendlela esilwane esithize kuwe, so that bazokubona ukuthi we are here manje xoxa nathi silalela. So ukuthi mawubona intetho or insect of some sort indlula lapha kuwena uloku phahla bese uyayibulala, usuke ubulala amadlozi wakho yourself and you're going to be punished for that. So now you need to understand that as well. Ngoba ziza ngendlela eziningi. Ngesinye isikhathi uzozwa nje ezinye izinto, ngesinye isikhathi uthi maqeda ukuphahla ubona ijuba ngaphandle. Simply means that we are here and we heard what you say and I'm going to deliver to the elders. You understand? So isebenza ngaleyo ndlela leyo. So ezinye ilwane zisho ukuthi amadlozi wakho asuka safikile and afuna ukuxoxa nawe ngenye indlela exakile. You understand? Ngenye indlela so that ukuthi bazokwazi ukuthi baxhumane nawe nomoya wakho nomzimba wakho. So ziningi izinto kumele ukuthi nikwazi ukuzifunda, and please be educated. Do not ignore those things because they really do contribute in your life and they affect in your life. And they, like the typical thing your partner can simply break the family in between, can simply break a relationship. You understand? Because of the way you talk to them, the way you address them, the way you say things, the way nje wenza izinto zakho ngakhona. Ngenxa yokuphahla nje yonke into yakho nje namuhla, because now that's a tool of communication. Indlela yakho nabo ukuthi nikwazi ukuxhumana ngayo. So ayikho indlela, and ke iqala lapho ukuze bakusondele bakhulume nawe ngamaphupho, ukuze bakusondele bakhulume nawe ngamibono. Kumele iqale emsamo uqala, kumele uqoqe la, kumele babize basondeze emntanekhehla, and then they're gonna come. And then when they come, you need to listen, you need to pay attention to that. You understand? Because now so qale a conversation of some sort ukuthi ke manje abantu abadala bafuna manje nixoxisane ngezinye izinto ezi-affect-e empilweni yakho, ngezinye izinto ezi-affect-a bona. So ziningi izinto. Sona ukuze i-communication yakho nabo iqonde ibe straight, kwamele icala emsamo ucala, kwamele uphahle icala, and then izinto zakho zizovuleka the way uthanda ukuthi zivuleka ngakhona. Ngesinye isikhathi ezinye izinto azifuni umuntu ojulile ngaleyo ndlela leyo, zifuna ukuthi wena muntu uxoxe nabo ucala ngendlela efanelekile le kumele uyi-understand, le wena i-language le kumele bona bakwazi uyi-understand. You get what I'm saying? So now it's very, very important for you guys to understand that. So makhehla amadala, asichubekeni ngomsebenzi wabantu abadala. Ukuphahla kubalulekile empilweni yakho, empilweni zengane zenu, empilweni ze-relationship yenu. Ngoba abantu bayakhala, boyfriend yami ngilahlile, kanti idlozi limkhahlile ngoba khona into ongayenzanga kahle. You get what I'm saying? The way ukhulume nabo ngakhona, so ngesinye isikhathi bacabanga ukuthi frustrated, yabona bathi hayi, it is let me eliminate this and that and that and that so that this particular person azothola peace. The way ukhulume nabo, ukhuluma isiChina kubona, ukhuluma isiPutukezi kubona, abasi-understand-anga. You understand? Ziningi izindlela ekumele nikwazi ukuthi nikwazi ukuxhumana namadlozi wenu. You understand? So now i-workshop izabe ingalokho. Come and be educated and know how to speak with your ancestors in a proper way, so ukuthi ungasaphindi uba-frustrated ngendlela exakile, uzoze uhambe izangoma ezi-2011 uthi hayi izinto zami, kanti just a simple thing, ukuphahla nabantu abadala nje xa ukhuluma nabo nje cha. You understand? And then izinto zakho ziyaqala ziyavuleka, the way ukhuluma nabo, the way usho ngakhona. Khona abanye abantu bafuna ukuthi idlozi lakhe lifuna ukuthi umuntu abade agcoke isikhumba esithize, agcoke something before azokhuluma nabo. Khona amanye amadlozi afuna ukuthi nje before azophahla acule ingoma ethize yakubo. You understand? Khona abanye abantu bathi nje before azophahla kumele ahlale in a certain way, or kumele ayenze something endlini yakhe. You understand? Ukuze amadlozi azokwazi ukuthi asondele. Now let's teach each other batwamudimo. Let's teach each other, be educated. Lazi isiko lakini, zazi wena ngendlela zokuphahla. So asiphahleni bantu abadala, sixhumane nabantu abadala. On the 3rd of November, that's all, Raba again, we'll be talking about, I'll be unpacking in detail izinto zokuphahla ukuthi zihamba njani, and then uphume lapho upholile right. For more information, go to my Facebook page, Moyani Nkosi Yomoya. Instagram, Moyani_Nkosi. That's me. Thank you very much.